If kept in poor conditions, rust can start to appear within 4 to 5 days. Today is another experiment where I'm going to be turning these rusty C-clamps into a like-new condition, possibly using household ingredients. These are extremely useful and versatile tools to have at home. Now, the only problem after touching this, I can see rust all over my hands, and that's not acceptable for tools. I want to have nice, clean tools to use for my projects. Kind of gets stuck around here. It needs a good clean. In my area, one of these C-clamps will run around $8 to $15 a piece. I was pretty lucky and I found secondhand 3 heavy-duty clamps for a total of $5. They definitely have signs of wear and tear, but at the little TLC, I'm thinking I can sparkle them up so that my hands aren't constantly getting rusty every time I'm holding them. What I'm working with here is a bottle of Coca-Cola and some household vinegar. This is specifically pickling vinegar. It's what I had in my cupboard. The acidic acid is 7% versus the white vinegar, which is about 4%. And if none of these work, I have trusty WD40, which will remove rust off of metal. Because of all the acids that are in this drink, as well as the carbonation, it's supposed to remove rust from metal. And I don't know about you, but I'm extremely curious to see if this is true. So let's give it a try. I have the vinegar and the Coca-Cola. So what's interesting is I can already see a little bit of specks of rust that have come off of the C-clamp. I'm really curious to see how much rust is naturally removed after 24 hours before I even use the metal bristle scrub brush. Well, it's been 24 hours. The water is really murky and I can't see a thing in the Coca-Cola. So I'm going to take them out of their little containers and rinse them off. I've scrubbed here. Still looks pretty rusty to me. I don't think that this Coke has done anything. I think that's a complete myth. If you compare the two, one of them definitely looks a lot cleaner. I'm gonna try the WD-40. Let that sit for a moment. Well, I'm thinking I'm getting somewhere with using the WD-40. Yeah, look at my hands. Definitely coming off. I would say vinegar absolutely does work. Yuck. I'll probably take some WD-40 to this spot right here. While it was sitting in the vinegar, I should have moved the screw, but this was hiding underneath. So here are the 3 clamps. I didn't do anything yet with this one. I had this sitting in the Coke. The Coke didn't do much, so I ended up cleaning it up with some WD-40. Did a good job. And this is the vinegar. What I'm really noticing about this clamp is how legible the words are. It's very smooth. I think the vinegar did a great job. Well, keep Coke as a soft drink. It does not clean tools. Vinegar is the clear winner here. It did an excellent job. I don't even need a coating on this. I can go ahead and use it. It's great. So this clamp, it will pass.